What we make is vital. The people behind it are crucial. The customers we serve are indispensable. We are a part of something bigger. We are Quanex. Since 1927, we have grown to become a united network of nearly 3,800 talented employees. Headquartered in Houston, Texas, we have more than 30 global locations serving more than 90 countries. We strive to make a positive impact on the world and to be a responsible corporate citizen everywhere we operate. We are trusted around the world, driven by innovation, and positioned to develop solutions that give our customers a competitive advantage. Solutions like cabinetry and their components, kitchen cabinet doors and drawer fronts designed and manufactured to exact customer specification to create beautiful and timeless looks throughout homes and buildings. A wide array of cabinet moldings as well as storage and organization products to complete the entire space. Millwork solutions, manufactured in a wide variety of solid hardwood species, as well as profile-wrapped moldings using particle board and medium-density fiberboard substrates. Solutions like fenestration products that deliver more for windows and doors. Our Super Spacer and DuraSpacer warm edge spacers are backed by 3 decades of leading technology, delivering optimum comfort and appearance in residential and commercial window and doors. Window grills and accents, custom designed and manufactured on a just-in-time basis to exact customer specifications. Micron and linear vinyl extrusions deliver one-of-a-kind window and door systems. EdgeTherm and Q-Glaze sealants combine efficiency and performance. Quanex screen outsourcing solutions create efficiencies for manufacturers and functionality for consumers. Plus, an array of components and accessories provides superior solutions for window and door OEMs. Find Quanex solutions in more industries such as solar, refrigeration, and more, backed by a higher level of service across an array of functions. We are improving the performance, sustainability, and aesthetics of end products. We are Quanex, and we are a part of something bigger.